everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an all mauve makeup look. So I already got my mauve outfit on, got my nails to match, but what inspired me is I got this, the new Urban Decay Backtalk Eye and Face Palette. I'm just gonna be using the eyes because I already did my face makeup, but these are just the most beautiful mauve colors. I got the Urban Decay Backtalk lipstick to match. So it's just very mauve-y. I don't think I've ever really done a mauve makeup look. So let me show you this real quick. This side is the face palette, and then there is a mirror, a double-sided mirror. How fun is that? And then on the other side is the eyeshadow. Wow. Ooh, okay, I'm getting this all over. This side is the eyeshadow. So very beautiful mauve colors. So we're gonna do our eyes. I wanted to try to make this kind of dramatic, a little more like winged out, the winged eyeshadow, rather than just soft and romantic. So we'll see where the wind takes us, but I am excited to dive into this. So let's get started. First, I can't believe I'm even saying this, prime your eyes. This is just the NYX eyeshadow base. It's very hard to do with my nails. I usually don't have my nails done, but every now and then, Big Mama gets them done. It's just not practical for a woman of the house like myself, but I sure do feel pretty with them done. It's amazing what some nails can do. Maybe that's why people always get them done. I get it now, I do. I'm gonna start with this MAC 217 brush, just to loosely, you know, I really wish like this could come apart from the cheek part of it, but I'll just fold it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna first go in with this MAC. It's a fluffy brush. Okay, so we're just gonna go in with this beautiful light pink called 3 Sheets. And I'm just using this to set my cream base. It's just a personal preference. I personally like setting my cream bases. I find that following shadows just glide on more smoothly and they don't get more patchy. You know, same like we set our cream foundation and face products, you know? I feel like this isn't even showing up, but maybe it's just that nude. Okay, then we're gonna go into WTF. I don't know what that means. WTF. Ooh, that's pigmented. I'm gonna tap off a little excess. I'm just gonna use this. This is a card that came with my thing. And I'm gonna use this because I wanna start this in the outer part of my crease and then blend this in, but I really wanna blend it out like a wing. And that's where this card's gonna come in handy because it's gonna help me create a sharper line so it won't be so messy. So blend it in. These do blend out beautifully and they're very pigmented. I haven't used Urban Decay shadows in a while. So see how I'm just, rather than wrapping around the eye, I'm just swooping this out, and see how this point gave me a really nice defined line there. And that's exactly what I want. I want this very dramatic. And then whatever's left, I always blend under my eye just to balance out all that I got going on the top. But you know, you can kind of go over this just so that line won't be there. Hopefully that line goes away. But now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we got the start of our wing. But now I'm gonna go in with this mauve color. Keep dipping my thumb in this blush. Oh brother. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the star of the show, Backtalk. Better believe I'm gonna use that. Just this beautiful mauve color. Same brush. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Exact. So I'm just gonna go over those, the same WTF shadow. Ooh, how pretty. And this I'm also blending onto the eyelid. Whereas that brown, we just want it on the crease. This can go blend it out all over the eyelid. That's fine. I am hoping these are even. Really a hard task for me. I feel like this one's a little higher. Now I'm gonna go in with a little shade, this purple color. And same thing, same thing, same thing. Just intensifying these shadows. These are very pigmented. Beautiful. And I'm doing 2 coats of this. Perfect. Now I'm going to go in with Attitude, this beautiful rose gold berry color, and apply it on my lid. If I had any, I don't have any spray down here, but if I had any like Fix Plus or makeup setting spray, I'd spray it just to intensify it. But I don't, but it's really okay. It's pigmented on its own, that's for sure. You know, you can also use your finger. The warmth of your finger definitely will warm it up and help it be more pigmented as well if you don't have any spray. See, that definitely intensified it. Yeah, very pretty. All right, well, I think that's it for eyeshadow. What do you guys think? I hope these are even. I really do. It's so hard to get wings even, you know? But good enough, right? Now for eyeliner, let's see, I have this. I have some new Urban Decay eyeliners as well. This is in the color Heartless. The 24/7 Glide On eyeliner. And I think, oh, is that pink? Oh, how beautiful. Huh. It's like a chrome pink. I don't know if you can see that. It might look more cream to you, but I'm gonna apply this on my lower waterline. How fun is that? I love a white or just a like nude color for my lower waterline because I find that it just helps my eyes look bigger and wider, helps the whites of your eyes look wider. So that was fun. I've never used pink before, but this is so light. Doesn't matter, it looks amazing. Looks pretty cute. Definitely like these shadows, by the way. Very pretty. They blended out beautifully. I mean, the only other Urban Decay shadows I've used are the naked ones, right? Is that Urban Decay? And those are great, you know? So this is a really fun palette. I especially think these colors are beautiful. I'll have to try this out, but the blushes look pretty. And then the chrome, the toppers, the shimmering toppers, highlighters, is that the word I'm looking for? The highlighter. Okay, now for the top, I kind of want a winged liner just to intensify this. But first I'm going to apply some cream eyeliner before I go in with the liquid. So this is the color Alkaline, which looks like a beautiful purpley berry color, I believe. So this will definitely complement. And I'm just applying this close to my lashes, as close to my lashes as I can. I'm being kind of messy because I am gonna go over this with a liquid eyeliner. And then I'm applying a little of this to my lower outer waterline. But this is definitely a beautiful color, you know, just to switch up from your regular brown or your regular black. And I'm just gonna smudge it out a little, bring some to the inner part of the eye. How fun. I would have never tried these colors on my own. Urban Decay sent me these fun eyeliners. Very fun. And then I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen just to flick out a flick. Just to flick out a wing, you know? But I definitely want the wings just to match my wing shadow. Wish me luck. All right, my wings got a little out of hand. That's okay, it's Thursday. This now is looking more thick than this one. I might need to tweak it a little, but you know how it is. You just get going, trying to do the eyeliner, it just gets thicker, thicker, thicker. I like it. I think it complements the look. And now I'm gonna apply some false lashes just because this eye look is so dramatic. It just needs some false lashes to complement it. So my personal favorite are the Ardell Demi Wispies. Cheap as heck. You don't have to reuse them, just toss them in the trash. They're so light, they're so easy to put on, but most importantly, they're light. They don't weigh down your eyes and you don't feel like you're wearing them. I mean, if you apply them, right? But I have the tutorial on how to apply these if you would like to check that out, because I'm just gonna fast forward this. It takes me a good 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna fast forward. Whoa, okay, eyes are done. Now all that we have left for the look is lips. I'm going to apply the Vice lipstick in the color Backtalk, a comfort matte. I don't know if this is new or if this was already, I think this was already a color and then they based the whole eyeshadow palette and cheek palette and eyeliner colors off of this color. I could be wrong, but this is beautiful. Look at that beautiful nude mauve color. Let me show you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Got some lip gloss on my lips already, so I'm going to apply this. Beautiful. I love it. I'm going to apply a gloss over it because I'm really into glosses lately. So I can't figure out. This is looking more brown. This is Fuel and this is Obsessed, which is, the Obsessed is more pink. This is more brown. Maybe I'll do a little of both. I'm just curious how this pairs. I'll do this on the outer and then the pink on the middle. These taste and smell so good. So minty. Okay, I can't really tell a difference with those, but I think the gloss just adds some beautiful sheen to the lips. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, we are done with the look. What do you guys think? Do you like the eyes? I think it looks really pretty. Alrighty guys, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think of the eye look. I don't think I've done a mauve look on my channel before. Let me know if you like these colors. I can do more looks with this palette if you want. I think it's very beautiful. It's kind of like modern renaissance-y, you know, so if you have that, you might not be interested in this, but it's beautiful. It is very pretty, I will say. I love the lip, love the matching lip color. Just, I like what we got going on. It's very pretty and girly. I'm really starting to get more into color. I used to just be a brown and gold girl, but I'm really liking these roses, these mauves, these pinks. They're very pretty and they're very flattering, surprisingly. So thank you guys for watching. I sure hope you guys are having a good day. So I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!